Say hi, BB. This is BB. And this is his tuna that he's waiting for. Oh my goodness, look. Meow. Meow. Smells good, huh?
And wait to see when.
He's hilarious. I wish I could video him and cut this open at the same time because he's. Dad, will you video him while he's meowing?
Why don't I open it?
Okay. Look at him. Look at a baby. See, Grandpa's gonna do it for you. See?
I didn't know that my daughter had given birth to a furry friend.
He's my little baby, huh, Mr. T? Oh my goodness. Look, honey. Grandpa gonna get you
I'm
some.
not gonna give him that.
Oh, he's following you. Okay, BB. BB. Mommy gonna get you some right now, okay? You're hilarious, child.
Here, Juju. Shaka, shaka, shaka.
BB.
What is this?
It's just another one.
What kind of sauce?
Garlic.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Mm-mm. Go ahead. Take your soda.
I hear you, baby. I know. You're so spoiled. Did you know that? You are the spoiledest little kitty ever.
You're telling me, Cynthia,
It is.
Mr. T is spoiled.
What are we gonna do when we gotta get rid of them?
Well, I'm not going to get rid of them.
He's a
Huh.
spoiled brat, that's
Huh.
what he is.
So
Well.
this is for everybody, and I accidentally took it.
Bub?
BB. Oh, no. Here, look. You want to lick some off the spoon?
He's
Yep.
like, no, I want to eat.
Yeah. He bit my finger when I gave him a piece of chicken.
Here. Tuna.
Just do it right there.
Baby.
Sam.
Oh. Here. Hey, thank you, Mommy. He's like, yeah, right.